Pump up the jam, pump it up till your body's pumping.
What? Hello? This is FB&A Sai here, and this is Ghetto Food Reviews. We would like to welcome you and all the party people. How you doing out there? Yo, what's up, man? This your boy FB&A Rocky here, and this is another food review. Ghetto Food Reviews, get in tune, man. We fit to do a lot more of this shit here. Alright, so today we're going to be trying Domino's Philly cheesesteak and their pizza with bacon and ham. The Philly cheesesteak looks amazing. It smells amazing. I love it so much. It tasted so good. I was so happy. And you know, they pizza always very garlicky, and I love it. It's a kind, man. It's a real honor to be trying it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, man, Domino's is always good, especially with the ham and the bacon and the dough. I really like the dough. It's real light, real airy, and they always got like garlic on the bread. So it's always real good to go to Domino's. I love Domino's. It's a great spot to me. I love the pizza. It's always real good. And the Philly cheesesteak is like an authentic restaurant Philly cheesesteak. Is real good. It tastes like an Italian Philly cheesesteak straight from the Italians. It's real good. I recommend it to anybody. It's delicious, man. I'm telling you, the green peppers, the onions, the Philly cheesesteak meat is real good. And then you got the bread, which is like oven baked, which is real good. So Domino's altogether 10 out of 10 for me. This is why I get down on the haters. Hey, haters. all you party animals for watching, and thank you for watching. Tune in next time. It's FBNA World. FBNA World.
Party time. Excellent.